Good day to all. Welcome to Sujata's vlog Suju. Please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, do press the like button in YouTube. Namaste. Today I'm going to take you to a small kitchen tour. This kitchen is very small, 7 into 7 SFT. In spite of this kitchen being this small, how the space has been utilized to the maximum, I'll show you without any clutter, and all the items, all the provisions which are needed daily basis, that has also been arranged in a very systematic manner. Even few plants have been placed in certain areas so that the environmental friendly also the kitchen will be, and different items to make your kitchen feel like a place to visit again and again. Anyways, most of the time we are there cooking. I'm sure you will enjoy this tour. It is a very small video. I will finish up in a very short span. Just by looking itself, you can be able to understand how to arrange your items in a kitchen in a simplistic but very useful way. Thank you. This is the kitchen entrance. This has no door. A beautiful watch is hanging here, and then there is a cabinet where Tupperware boxes have been kept. Here are also paper napkin provision is there. After that, this place, here we have a dishwasher. Thus the dishwasher is been decorated with wax, fruits and kettles just for show. Then the whole of the kitchen from right to the left end, one small partition has been kept where all the provisions in a very systematic way has been stored in big bottles, and all are symmetrical and of same size. Now this is the dishwasher. Besides a beautiful candle holder. Now in this corner, the space has been utilized for water purifier. Now we have come to the left hand corner where salt, pepper and seasoning jars are kept in a holder. Now here on this window, a beautiful Kondapalli bommas or toys have been kept depicting kitchen toys. Now on the other side, this glass holder in partition wise, and jars have been kept. Now we have come directly to the left and other side of corner. Here also in partitions, oil jars and other small jars have been kept. This part is the final end of the left hand side where the kitchen has started. Cooking vessels have been kept in the drawers or shelves. Here one puja mandap is kept for which is also small and beautiful. This is a final look of the kitchen, how it is arranged. This is a modular kitchen. On top of the shelves, indoor plants are kept. A compact kitchen but with breathable space. Hope you like this arrangement. New viewers who are visiting my YouTube channel Sujata's Vlog Suju, please do subscribe. The subscription is only once and it is free also. It will encourage me to do such videos more and more. Thank you.